All right, so we're going to close it out with the black, but I just realized that I did not get the mini skinny ID card case in black, so I will have to go back and get that or just order it online, because I already knew I had a signature denim wristlet, so I was not thinking about the card case. So I will have to add that to the next video. But this is the information for the black shoes and the signature denim. You all can read that. And y'all, these shoes were not out. I asked the sales associate to go see if they had them, and they did say that they had them. And they also said that they didn't receive much on this drop in store. It was limited quantity, so I kind of figured that either they're doing like a limited quantity drop overall, or either that they didn't want to have the stores or certain store locations possibly with a lot of merchandise and nothing in the warehouse. So they did let me know that they did not get a lot in each item for this particular drop. So they said it was only one in store in this size and one in each color. So, and I went pretty late in the day, so I was actually surprised that they had them. I guess, like I said, since they weren't out, people didn't think to ask them if they had it. But y'all, this is it in the black signature denim. And I am going to put this beside the retail signature denim that I have. And you all see that they don't really change up the black signature denim much at all. That's pretty much just the same. There's a slight difference in, like, you can kind of feel the texture of the C's are raised. But that's really the only difference to me. That looks pretty identical. Let me know what you all think. And the same with this one, y'all. I actually saw this bag was the one they had out on the floor in the black, and this is another Tote in the black signature denim. And I asked her, did they have any wraps? She said they did, and she went and got this one. And even after, I think I was recording my video at that time, I thought to ask her, did she have a signature denim in the indigo? And that's when she went and came back with the blue. And I told her, shame on you. She just laughed, but good for her, because she helped me with both of them. So that was a good still for her to add for the day to her list. But I'm going to do the same with this one, y'all. Put the shoe box in it so that you all can see how big it is. Finishing unwrapping it, and you all, I will be right back. This is a quick look at the inside of this. It is all black. Again, with the silver hardware and the one full zipper. All right, y'all. So I got it fully stuffed and standing up for you all to get a better view of it. Just like the denim, it's a good size bag, so it takes up plenty of room. And this again is the information, the code for this one in this color. The small tote, signature denim, CDC 48 in the silver and black. And I also have my wristlet that was inside of my Tabby, just so you all can see. Again, there's no difference in the retail black signature denim compared to the outlet signature denim. So this is a good set, y'all, to have this as a tote and carry it as a bag if I want to. And then have the matching shoe as well. So y'all, let me know which one is you all's favorite. If you prefer the red, if you prefer the signature denim and the indigo, or if you like the black. This has been a very fun unboxing and very unexpected, y'all. I did not plan for it. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to reading you all's comments. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Have a wonderful day. As always, trust God and always keep God first. You will not be disappointed. And I'll see y'all in the next video.